Hello, welcome back to the channel. Can you find the smallest and the biggest number using digits 5, 2, 0, 1 and 8 and then add them together? It sounds easy, right? The question says, find the sum of the smallest and the biggest number formed by digits 5, 2, 0, 1 and 8. Let us see if we can beat the trap that most people fall onto. We are using 5 digits, that is 5, 2, 0, 1 and 8, and no repetition is allowed. First, let us form the smallest number from these digits. Here is a trick. To form the smallest number, we are going to arrange this number into ascending order. That means we'll start with digits 0, 1, then 2, 5, and the last is 8. But we can't start a number with 0. That is a trick part. So we must find the next small number, which is 1. So we are going to start with 1. So the number is going to be 1. Then we are going to follow with digit 0. Then we are going to write the rest. That is 2, 5, 8. This is our smallest number. Second, let us form the biggest number. To form the biggest number, we are going to arrange our digit in descending order. That is from the big number to the small number. So we are going to start with 8, followed by 5, followed by 2, followed by 1, then at last 0. So our biggest number is going to be 85,210. As the question says, find the sum of the smallest and the biggest number formed by these digits. So the last step, we are going to add the biggest number and the smallest number. We are going to add them. Our smallest number is 10,258 and our biggest number is 85,210. When we add them, we are going to get 8, 6, 4, 5, 9. And this is our answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on whole numbers, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.